How to replace the keyboard key on an MSI GL63 series laptop. So this is a replacement keyboard. You take a flathead and you insert it in between the keycap and the retainer clip. Be careful not to bend the keycap. We initially did, which caused a small crack. So as a shout out, be careful not to bend it too much. Now you're going to push up on that retainer clip while prying the top off of two little metal hooks. Pushing up should free it up a little bit so it comes up a little easier. Once you get the top off of it, the bottom comes right off, as you can see. Now you're going to put it on, install it by the top first, and then you're going to snap the two bottom hooks in. Then you're going to take your keycap, you're going to place it on top and push down. And it's that simple.
I hope you liked our video today. Please, if you found it in any way helpful, like and share. Also, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below. We'll try to get back to them as soon as possible. Also, if you like free IT advice, if you like knowing how your computer works and seeing how it gets repaired, go ahead and subscribe. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.